Detick is an inhibitor drug that effectively kills dog fleas, cats fleas and ticks. Dosage: 1 cc for 0 to 10 kgs, 2 cc's for 10 to 20 kgs. Extract the desired amount using a disposable syringe with a removable needle. For best result, bathe and dry the dog before applying. Part hair or fur between the shoulder or buttock only to ensure better skin contact of the medication. Sa parting di nila kayang dilan. Apply the recommended dosage on the skin. Let it dry for about 6 to 8 hours. Do the same to your other dogs or pets. For maximum result, do not bathe your dog for 4 days. Reapply after 45 days to maintain the effect of Garrapata free. Thank you for watching. Say hi to Wabi and Chibi.